Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing while using Instagram. Before we start here, please subscribe and like this video for more content. So first, you have to sign up from affiliate marketing. You do all of this, then all of this, then you just do all of that. After you're done signing up, you go to Clickbank. This is my testing account. Then I go to affiliate marketing marketplace. Then you go on animals. Then you go on animals. No wait, you go on dogs. Then you click this. You put your claim account. You create a hot link. You copy this. You add a link. Then you go back. You paste it here. You add it. You put yes. It's safe, don't worry. No wait, I forgot this method. You go back, you go on you put tiny URL. Then you paste it, then you shorten it. You go in tiny URL. You put your alias. Then you copy it. You go on Linktree. Then you paste it here. And this is the method. So basically, you're gonna have to make an Instagram account, an Instagram theme page. Then you have to promote it using the Instagram theme page. You see how they're doing it? They're doing it like this. It's easy, guys. You just need to be consistent and put hard.